Look at that thick limescale. My kettle is covered inside and outside. Can I sort this out with just a 49p bottle of vinegar? Let's find out. I decide to start with the outside of the kettle, and what I do is soak this kitchen roll in vinegar so that I can wrap it around the kettle, and that way the vinegar has contact with the limescale long enough to really break it down. I've bought purpose-made kettle descalers in the past, and no matter how many times I've rinsed and boiled my kettle afterwards, I have tasted it for about a week. So I decided to go for this vinegar option. Let's give it a go. Then after I completely mummified my kettle, I left it like this for about 15 minutes. After a quick wipe and a buff, the main body of the kettle was looking really good at this point, but there were some stubborn areas left over. In particular, in the spout there, it was still really thick, and also in the join here between the plastic and the stainless steel. So I repeated the process just on those stubborn areas. This time I left it for about 20 minutes to really give it a little bit longer to get those really thick bits. And that worked. That thick build-up in there was gone. Now to tackle the inside. I used a wooden skewer there to gently prod that big crusty bit off, which I found really oddly satisfying, to be honest. Then a quick rinse, and look at those chunky bits. Ew. I pour in the rest of the bottle of my bargain 49p vinegar in, and then I top that up with water and I give the kettle a boil. Once it had cooled slightly, I popped the filter inside the kettle to let it soak in that hot vinegar mix for about 10 minutes. A quick wipe and a rinse, and it came up looking perfect. When I've used purpose-made descalers before, I've actually found that they have completely disintegrated my filter, which was quite shocking. So that's another reason why I wanted to try something gentler. And here is the result. It's gone from a crusty mess to a shiny, sparkling result. And honestly, my tea does not taste like vinegar. If you found this helpful, please give me a like and subscribe.